How to report and delete a TikTok account.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to report and delete a TikTok account. In this guide, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to properly handle this situation, ensuring your concerns are effectively communicated to TikTok's moderation team.
Why would you want to report a TikTok account?
Before we jump into the process, it's important to understand why you might want to report a TikTok account. The reasons could be diverse, including inappropriate content, spam, harassment, or any other violations of TikTok's community guidelines. By reporting these issues, you're helping to make TikTok a safer and more enjoyable platform for all users.
How to report a TikTok account.
Now let's dive into the process of how to report a TikTok account. Follow these steps. 1. Open the TikTok app. Make sure you are logged into your account. 2. Navigate to the profile. Find the account you wish to report. This could be done by searching for their username or by finding a video they've posted. 3. Access profile options. Once on their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. 4. Report. In the menu that appears, select Report. 5. Choose a reason. You'll be asked to specify why you're reporting the account. Make sure to choose the reason that best fits the situation, providing additional details if prompted. 6. Submit the report. After providing all the necessary information, submit the report. Remember that reporting should be done responsibly, only for valid reasons, and not for personal disputes or minor disagreements.
How to delete your TikTok account.
If the situation warrants it, and you wish to delete your TikTok account, follow these steps. 1. Open the TikTok app. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. 2. Access your profile. Tap Me in the bottom right to access your profile. 3. Open Settings and Privacy. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open Settings and Privacy. 4. Navigate to Manage My Account. Scroll down and tap Manage My Account. 5. Delete Account. At the bottom of the menu, tap Delete Account. Follow the prompts to confirm. Please note, deleting your account is a permanent action. You'll lose all your videos, likes, comments, and followers. And that's it. Now you know how to report a TikTok account and delete your own account if necessary. Remember, these tools are in place to ensure that TikTok remains a safe and enjoyable space for everyone. Use them responsibly, and make the most out of your TikTok experience. We hope this guide was helpful.